What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to have a nice day to do a full paint correction buff on this 2008 Saab 9.3 TurboX. If you were brought to this channel because of this car, I want to thank you guys for your continued follow and support. If you guys are new to the channel, this car I purchased back in October of last year, November-ish, end of October, November. And we completely rehabbed this car from the bottom up. It was in terrible shape. All the suspension needed to be replaced. The all-wheel drive system needed some service, like the drive shaft. I replaced that since the bushings were bad. Whoever owned this car prior to me having it was the first owner from the dealership and never took care of the car properly. So since it's been in our hands, we replaced everything that was wrong with it, and now it needs to be cleaned. Look at this. This car has only 67,000 miles on it from the factory. So, beautiful car. Guys, we got the whole thing washed, all the debris off the paint. There's the Fox News alert. I'm gonna go ahead now, take a clay bar the whole car while it's wet. Camera picked up half of me doing half of the work on the clay bar because I forgot to hit the record button. So, but anyways, we did a full clay bar and I did a second wash. She's looking pretty shiny out there. I'm gonna pull her into the garage here, into the shade, so the paint can cool off for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and give it the good old buff. Yeah, guys, the paint is nowhere near as swirly as what it used to be. Everything is shining so nice. So definitely a nice upgrade and improvement to the finish of the paint since it's been sitting. I'm gonna run right now the video of when the car was being delivered. Right over there. The sunlight was about the same a couple months ago at this time, so check this out right here. All right, we've got our TurboX here, boys. A little rough shape. How are ya?
TurboX, baby.
It's gonna need some wax, it's gonna need a buff, it's gonna need more than just a wash.
Some TLC.
Hey guys, so we're gonna bring it in the garage because it's starting to rain. But here you guys go, you can see the things that were missed. Now check it out right here. Like this car a lot. Here's the inside shots. Earlier in the video, you saw me cleaning everything. You can see how nice everything is inside this car. I got the door jambs really nice and clean from it sitting, collecting dirt. Here's the rear. So yeah, guys, that's the scoop. So guys, TurboX is done. I wasn't planning on doing this, and I'm still not sure if I'm gonna do it. It's a pretty rare, special car, and obviously Saab is no longer in business. So it's probably amongst a collectible, I would presume. Long term, it's for sure a collectible. They only made 600 of them for the US market. So obviously being a Saab guy, clearly, you know, I was thinking it would be a kind of a cool car to keep around. But again, I'm not sure if I want to do it, but if somebody's interested, I do have a number in mind. Check out my email below and shoot me an email. Car is pretty much 100% done. Got a couple little things to tie up, so thanks for watching. Give the video a like, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. We got parts coming in for both the 9.5 and the 9.3. So got some content coming through for that. Just gotta wait on the parts, and we'll see you guys here soon. Thanks for watching.